Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Golden Jylene. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very late St. Patrick's Day tutorial. It's still St. Patrick's Day though, so it still counts. But yeah, this is going to be a green eyeshadow look. Pretty much everything is green, but the mascara, on my eyes at least. I mean, obviously my foundation and everything else isn't green, but you get the point. I really wanted to do a green eyeshadow tutorial because I didn't do that last year. Next year, I will definitely be earlier with St. Patrick's Day, but I actually really love this look. I think you can wear this look with anything green themed. I mean, I like to wear green rarely, but if you ever have anything green that you have to go to, like, I don't know, maybe your prom dress is green, or you're feeling springy or something, I think this is a pretty good look. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I'm dumb and I didn't realize I wasn't recording yet. Pretty much all I did was go into my original chocolate bar palette. I took cherry cordial, salted caramel, semi-sweet, and milk chocolate. So these, 1, 2, 3, 4. I took those 4 on a fluffy brush and I just put it in my crease. Next, I'm taking my Tarte clay pot, and this is actually an eyeliner, but I don't really use these as eyeliner. I mean, I use it as eyeliner in this video, but I really like using these as a shadow base, so I'm using this all over my lid. Okay, please don't mind my nails. I've been testing so many of the kale polishes. This is Princess Penny, I believe, and the blue one is St. Clair. I'm just gonna put this Tarte clay pot on. These are waterproof, which I like because they last longer. This is in the color Margarita. I'm gonna take some of my MAC shadows. These are the first MAC shadows I've ever bought. This is called Lime, and I'm just gonna take it with my finger. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I'm pretty much using this to set the clay pot. Next color I'm gonna take is the satiny green shade. I mean, it looks really shimmery, but when you swatch it, it's not as shimmery as you'd expect it to be. So I'm gonna take the same fluffy brush I was using before, and I'm gonna put this on my outer corner. So now I'm going to go back into my original Too Faced chocolate bar. I'm going to take the color Champagne Truffle right here. I'm going to use my pinky just to put this in my inner corner. And I'm also going to use this for my brow bone highlight. Just put it on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner. I'm going to use that to draw a wing. I'm gonna go back into this Tarte clay pot in Margarita. I'm gonna take a flat brush, you can use any brush honestly, and I'm gonna put this on my waterline. Next, I'm gonna go back into the darker green shade. Did I even tell you what the name of this shade is? It's New Corp. But I'm gonna take this darker green shade called New Corp, the one that I use on my outer corner, and I'm just going to use this on my lower lash line. Next thing I'm going to do is just curl my lashes, and I'm using my Tarte Curl Boss lash curler. Next, I'm taking my mini Tarteist lash paint mascara. I got one of these in my BoxyCharm and I actually love it, but I'm trying to use up the little sample that I have. This actually came with the lash curler. But yeah, I'm trying to use this little sample up. By the way, I actually canceled my BoxyCharm. I felt like I kept getting the same brands in, sorry if I'm getting out of frame, I have a mirror like right here. I felt like I kept getting the same brands. I got crown brushes like 2 months in a row. 1 month a brush was damaged. I think I got brushes in every single box. But anyway, this is the finished look, and I'm gonna zoom you out and I'm gonna put on the green highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this MAC Fix Plus. This is just my mini coconut one. I do have the full-size ones, but I'm trying to use my mini ones first because I got these when these were still limited edition, and now they're permanent, which is really nice. I forgot a step. I'm not gonna zoom you back in just for this little step, but I'm gonna take my Alchemist palette by Kat Von D, and I'm gonna take the green shade in here, or what is it called? Green emerald, right here. I'm gonna take this and put it like on my lower inner corner, not like my tear duct. Doesn't make the biggest difference, but I do like how it looks. So for highlighter, I was gonna use a Moonshine Glow Kit, but I actually like how this green looks better. I'm gonna use the Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm gonna use the color Helia right here. But first, I'm gonna take my Fix Plus and just spray my face. And I'm gonna take the Helia color, just put it on my cheekbones, and wow, that is popping. I know it looks a little crazy on camera. That's just because this lighting kind of sucks. It kind of makes it look gray. But in person, it does not look like that. It actually looks really nice. This green almost looks gold. It's very easy to pull off, I feel. I got glitter all over my boyfriend's jacket. Now for lipstick, I'm just gonna put on some of MAC's Velvet Teddy. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I actually love this. I'm not a big fan of green eyeshadow, but I love how this looks. I know this is a very, very late St. Patrick's Day video, but better late than never. And also, you can do this whenever you're having a green themed anything. I mean, I wear bold makeup all the time, so whenever you have anything green that you want to do, I think this is a pretty good tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!